Jammin JD Sports Cards. We're going to bring you a really fast break. Only 4 cards. Going to do the 2013 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection Football. Should be a cool product to break real quick. Got to show some love to the YouTube fans. Been doing a lot of stuff on Ustream, so. There we go. Pretty cool way the box opens. And that's it. Love that, right? Alright, here we go. Actually, I need that box. Uh-oh. What do we have here? Looking pretty cool. Alright. First card. Justin Hunter. Cool looking design. Definitely like that. And that is serial numbered 11 of 99. I'm going to take that. And we're going to set both of those to the side. We're going to go to this card, which is sweet. Alright, ready? Boom. EJ. Super patch. 20 of 25. Look at that Florida patch. That is sweet. Very nice card. Super short print. Digging it. That's cool. If you don't like that, you got problems. That is cool. Alright. So, these are going to be sweet. I like them. I don't know if you guys have seen them yet, but definitely a cool card. Just a cool little booklet with a nice signature. We got Justin Hunter going first. Very cool. Serial numbered 091 of 199. Nice card. And the other book is Terrence Williams. 155 of 199. And same thing. Just a nice little book with a sweet sig. Very cool. I really like the die cuts they did here. Adds a little flair to the book. So, I mean, you only get 4 cards, but you can't beat it. I mean, that was sweet. You got 2 books. Sweet EJ. Fantastic patch, 20 of 25. And then just a nice rookie, Justin Hunter, 11 of 99. Very cool. Alright, follow us at Jammin JD Cards. Just talk about the hobby. Check out the hits we're showing off. And we're doing group breaks. If you want to get in on those, head on over to our website, www.jamminjdcards.com. We are breaking every Friday, basketball and football, 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. And this Friday we got some cool products. We're going to do Artifacts Basketball 0708 and Sweet Shot 0708. Looking for some KD rookies. And then 2013 Playbook and Black Football. So that should be fun. So I hope you guys can join us tomorrow. Again, 9:30, 6:30 Pacific Time. And that'll be on Ustream. And you can find all that info on the website. Thanks for watching.